What's up, YouTube? Drew here, and just in case you don't believe me, I just did a ride along with this beautiful 1991 Toyota JZS 131 Crown and explained why it might not be the ultimate daily driver like some people would assume based on newer Toyota Crowns like the 155. Just in case you don't believe me what it looks like under here, this is a control arm with a spring seat, and as you see, it's not triangulated. It has a strut rod, just like a 60s American car. And if you look, it's a little bit tight under here, excuse me. If you look right there, that is a tie rod with an adjusting sleeve. Super, super archaic. And then there's your other tie rod with its adjusting sleeve, and the link in between them, I forget, it's not called a drag link. I forget what that's called in an American car, but like American pickup trucks are still made this way. And then you've got your pitman arm with that red writing or a red mark on it. And then you've got right there your steering gear mounted to the frame, which is, it's like a front. There's frame rails on the outside, you could see there. And then this is kind of like I don't know, the frame goes out and gets really wide, and then there's these long pieces that go in the back and look like they're just to hold the arm that goes underneath the transmission. And it does have an independent rear suspension, but look at that. That's pretty much a 1960s American suspension design in a 1990s Toyota. So it's just to show you guys, you know, if you want something that's going to be as reliable as a 90s Camry and as easy to fix as a 90s Camry, this is not your daily driver. Maybe this is. This is a MCV21W. This is what would have been a 1997 Toyota Camry station wagon, but it's got a 2.5 liter 2MZ, just like our 3 and 3.3 liter 1 and 3 MZs. And you could tell that's a Camry fender, Camry doors, but a station wagon rear end, and this more prominent front end. So something like this is as daily drivable as a Camry. A JZS 155 Crown is almost as daily drivable as a as an old Toyota, as an old Lexus, basically, almost as drivable. This is something more like a 60s American car that's just in really, really good condition, made with really, really good parts. Maybe this is like owning a 70s Mercedes. Yeah, it's a bulletproof, awesome car in its day, but everything has changed since then. There's not a lot of parts, and there's not a lot of people that know how to work on it. So just be careful if you're considering dailying a Crown. So anyways, I'm Drew. If you like this, make sure to watch the other video. Give them both a thumbs up if you would. Of course, only if you like them. And definitely subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. Little spoiler alert, I'm working on, this is a 130 Crown. I'm working on bringing in a 110 Crown from 1980 with a diesel engine in it. So be sure to subscribe if you want to see that. Take care. God bless. Bye.